What color for option 4?
Yellow.
No, you picked the one that's all good.
Oh.
That's all right. Option 4. Starts with a P, ends with proportions. What are proportions? Anybody know?
Part of.
In math, it's simply two equal, believe it or not, fractions. And before anybody goes, let me show you. With proportions, you always have the number 100. Above the number 100, you put in the percent without the percent sign. And on the other side, the is goes on the top and the of goes on the bottom. Believe it or not, this is my personal favorite. I'll also explain why. Okay, so what goes where? Well, what goes above the 100? Just 16. Now, why can we do that? Why can we just drop the percent sign? Didn't we say earlier 16% means 16 out of 100? By putting it over 100, we're just changing it to fraction form. We don't need to do it with percent. On this side, is was, of is. What can you do now? Bingo. And now we'll cross multiply. Let me ask you something. How much math have I done so far? None. I have done exactly none, no math at all. Cross multiplying takes care of all of it for me. This is my personal favorite because this is the one I don't even have to think. All I have to do is organize. I put the right numbers in the right place. I don't have to know if I'm supposed to multiply or divide. Cross multiplying takes care of it for me. All I have to do is put the numbers in and ask myself at the end, does my answer make sense? Who'd have thought you could do math without having a clue what you're supposed to be doing? And fractions are helping you do it. Who thought, what? Everybody's been, oh, fractions. How much work have I done here? 100x equals 30 times 16. 100x equals 480, I think, right?
Yeah.
Divide by 100. X equals 4.8. I like proportions because it takes the least amount of thinking. Now, when I was in high school, do it by proportion. Oh, really? What a pain in the ass. Why can't we just do it with it? Put it in the formula. As an adult, oh, hell yes, every time. Why would I want to think harder than I have? I don't want to think. As you get older, you want to think less and less. Trust me. And the beauty of this too is, what if you screw it up? What if you, okay, I got the 16 over 100, but I put the 30 on the top and the X on the bottom. Look what happens when you cross multiply now. 16x is equal to 30 times 100. 16x is equal to 3,000. Divide by 16 and you get 187.5, I think. Somebody check my math. No, I didn't do that in my head. I remembered it from earlier. That was a number that came out of one of the possibilities here. Did this make sense back then? No. So I know that this doesn't make sense. Okay, so what happens? Well, if this arrangement didn't make sense, that means put them in a different arrangement and try it again. I know the 16/100 is right, so, oh, that must mean that I got this backward.
That's right.
And again, how much math have I really done? None. I don't even have to have a clue. All I had to do is recognize that 187 didn't make no sense. You will find I'm a huge proponent of proportions because, and it didn't happen overnight. It took a while. I went, damn, this is so, really? I don't even have to think anymore. Wow. You get older, you only got so much energy. I'm gonna save it for stuff important, like, I don't know, getting up and getting another beer. Why would I use all my mental energy here when I can, what show do I want to watch? Or rather, they changed the system at work. Oh, hell. Now I have to think about, all set? Okay, option 5. Last one.